Hi, my name is Christopher Pritchard, and I would like to introduce you to what's new in RelaySimTest 4.0.
With RelaySimTest 4.0, we added a complete new test case type called Interactive System Simulation. The interactive system simulation can continuously output the steady-state values of the power system simulation. While you are injecting steady-state values, you can change settings, breaker, and switch states and add faults. The change in output values will directly be applied synchronously on all test sets. Trip and close commands of the IED will operate the circuit breaker in the simulation in non-real time and are recorded and timestamped in the event list. Every user can benefit of the interactive system simulation during wiring, metering, and functional checks. Additionally, it can be used for testing long-running restoration schemes in training facilities and in laboratory environments. In the transient simulation test case, we added Infeed Events. You can ramp the voltage up or down to cause overexcitation of a transformer or trigger an over or under voltage protection scheme. For further improvements, please check the What's New document on our website. RelaySimTest can be downloaded for free at omicronenergy.com/RelaySimTest.